Okay, so this video I think I'll make it short. There is another science in Hadith. Yeah, so Quran Hadith is same thing. It's from Prophet Muhammad. وما ينطق عن الهوى وإن هو وحي لا يوحى. He doesn't say anything according to him. Whatever he say is from Allah. No problem. So be prepared. This picture is actually Sirah. That's what they call it in Arabic. Yeah. So this is people they crossing from one side to another side. And the judgment day, you see the hellfire is down, so some of them some of them they run fast. You don't see them. It's like a light, speed of light, fast, because they are very good people. Some of them they crawling, some of them fail. I'm sure I'm gonna fail. Allah will punish me for this video. Okay, so so that's the signs. You see bleeding. The earth, the sun will use all their hydrogen so to helium, and then is no more energy will left. Anyway, every year by 10% the earth will be brighter. So by every 1 billion years, so because the sun will increase, so by about 2 to 3 billion years there will be no life on earth, and eventually sun will eat up the earth. Anyway, because all the water is vibrate, you will be everything will be dry, everything will die on the earth. But let's see where is the science of the Hadith. Okay, so that's the science. So that's Sahih Muslim. Okay. Sahih Muslim. All right, so let's see. Okay, let's see this. So this Hadith is say what? Is say the sun will be very close to earth. See, I told you the same science. It say be very close to earth, it will be like miles from earth. So but the guy who Salim bin Amr say I don't know, does it he mean miles like on earth like this one, or either like the one he use it for eyelashes. So this one already eyelash is very small. Okay, so that's already we deleted them. We don't need it. It's gone. I give you one option now. So only the positive option left. You see, the good one. He'll be 1 mile away. What a stupid prophet. If he's 1 mile, what he say? He say people will sweat according to their guilty, to their sin. So if they have plenty sin, they will sing entirely from their sweat. What a stupid. If you have all the sweat in your body, that doesn't mean you die. You're finished already. And sun won't reach it 1 mile away. You already die. I told you about 2 billion years now we die. Even the sun is all further away, very far. So now Muhammad say according to their sin, people, you read it your English one or Arabic, whatever you want, doesn't matter. Muhammad will accept it. And according to their sin, some of them they have to their ankles, some of them to their knees, some of them to their waist, some of them entire body is sinking in their sweat according to their sin. Okay, so that's a scientific miracle in Quran. You see, how Prophet Muhammad knew this before 1400 years. All scientific claim is only made it by these Muslim dodgy people. Absolutely, it's no doubt. I know Zakir Naik lying, all of them lying. Zakir Naik has no shame. He talk about moon. Prophet Muhammad, moon has is reflected light. He lying. I can't. I have all information. I can refute all, but I prepare to surprise some Muslim because I like to destroy them anyway, or when my subscriber growth. Okay, anyway, I'll let you go. Maybe I make a new video soon. I don't know, but I'll destroy this Quran. Okay, so stay safe, be prepared for this day, for sweating, so try to make some tent so you don't come out the sun, so you don't get sink in the sweat. Okay, bye.